When you are looking at trust as a key component of differentiation, that's where you want to start. How do you set yourself up? You to trust yourself to deliver. And how do you set up the situation with your potential clients to the ultimate success of your relationship and the outcome they experience? So, how is trust a differentiator? When we're talking about differentiation, trust is something that is rarely considered as an express differentiator for a professional services business. And I want to talk to you a little bit about that today. So, my name is Michèle Soregaroli. I'm here today to talk to you about differentiation. I'm an expert in differentiation for professional services providers, and I look forward to supporting you on your journey to differentiating your offer. So, let's talk about trust. There's a couple of things we want to be nuancing, especially around trust in an offer. When you're thinking about your professional services offer, what are you selling and what are you creating that evokes and invokes trust in others? There's a couple of things going on here. Trust has two lenses, right? Two different perspectives. Where the first one is that trust in yourself. Then the second one is your trust in others, your ability to trust yourself, and then your ability to trust others. And then, of course, that is what generates their trust in you. So we want to always talk about how you are creating an environment from the inside out that perpetuates your offer and make sure that your offer is fully and completely aligned and in integrity. When you're thinking about trust in yourself, differentiation, this is a key part. What do you trust about yourself that you know without a shadow of a doubt that you can deliver consistently, predictably, and high quality? What do you know about your skill set, your expertise, and the way you structure your offer or your client experience or the arc of your solution for your clients? What do you know about that you can trust absolutely that you can deliver without any doubt? That's something that once you establish that kind of clarity and confidence in your ability to deliver, then you're in a much stronger position to not only create an offer and design that offer to be aligned with that and to be designed so that you can actually fulfill, but you're also in a much better position to articulate it and to speak clearly about it and to give an energy that says, yeah, I've got your back. We're good. I can take care of this for you. So that's that piece. Then there's another piece. Once you've established that trust in yourself and created the environment that you are able to fulfill that and satisfy that trust in yourself, then the second part is your trust in others. And what do we mean by that as a differentiator? Your ability to trust others to help you succeed. And what I mean by that is when you are working with a client in a relationship-based position, as you are an advisor or someone that they are consulting for a solution. So you're selling services, right? As opposed to a product. When you're in that position, you also have to be able to set up the situation so that you can trust your client to show up in such a way that you can be successful. Now, what do I mean by that? So when you're setting your situation up so that you can trust your clients, the things that you're doing there are looking for the qualities in your clients that are likely to contribute to what I would call the success formula. What qualities do they need? What qualities do they have to have in order to make sure that the way they experience and the way that you deliver your offer is successful, right? So what are the qualities that they have? It might be their characteristics, it might be their values, it might be the way they think. It might be anything to do with how their personality and their belief system interacts with yours so that you're set up for success and you have the foundation in place to succeed. The next part about setting up so that you can trust others to help you succeed and to get them the result they want is to make sure that their environment is such that they can be successful in their experience with you and your services. So what are the conditions around which they have in their world are impacted by, either that supports them to be successful or could inhibit their ability to experience the fullness of the results that you generate for them or that you can generate for them. So when you can trust others to be a participant and a contributor to the success of your delivery and your advice, And when you trust yourself to be able to fulfill that because you have done the work on yourself and established that clarity, you're in a greater position to differentiate yourself from your peers. So when you are looking at trust as a key component of differentiation, that's where you want to start. Think about those two different lenses. How do you set yourself up? You to trust yourself to deliver, and how do you set up the situation with your potential clients so that you can trust them to be able to be a contributor to the ultimate success of your relationship and the outcome they experience? If this video has been valuable to you, I always invite you to subscribe and join us for future videos. And of course, as you've heard me before, if you know of anyone that you think might benefit from this experience, be generous with them and share, because as we all know, when we help others, we help ourselves. So I invite you to be a community of supporters and share the wealth, so to speak. I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much. And I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.